Okay, so historical R&D expense percentage. So yun naman yung ratio ng R&D. Yun yung ratio ng R&D and revenue. So ang formula niya, research and development expenditures over revenue. So ibig sabihin, ano yung nako-contribute ng R&D sa revenue o dun sa profit ng inyong research and development team. So, siyempre, percentage yan. So, R&D expenditures over revenue times 100%. Kasi percentage yan. So, express as percentage. So, yun, may natututunan tayong bago. No? May mga ganun pala. Sa research, no? Yung contribution ng research. Usually, this is happening in pharmaceuticals and tech. Kasi sa pharmaceutical, magre-research ka about, kasi gamot yan eh. So, magre-research ka about kung gagawa ka ng gamot, may research and development yan. Ganon din sa tech, may research and development. Basta anything na may research and development, papasok tayo dyan sa historical R&D expense percentage. So, yun yung R&D expenditures mo, R&D expenditures or expenses over revenue times 100 kasi express as percentage. So, yun yung bagong natututunan natin ngayong araw. Historical, ibig sabihin, from the very, yung history. Magmula kung kailan nagsimula hanggang ngayon. So, yun lang po.